Hi all, welcome to this lecture. It is going to be a lab and we will be talking about different commands to start with Windows PowerShell. I appreciate if you want to practice with me. Starting with comment, we have single line comment for describing a statement or a piece of code. Wherever we feel that our code is not self-explanatory, we can use this single line comment to explain what it is meant for. After seeing this hash, PowerShell ignores the text written after it. This increases the readability of our code. We can declare complete line as a comment, or we can write comment after a PowerShell statement, and whenever PowerShell notices this hash character, rest of the line will not get executed. Sometimes while debugging or for some other purpose, if we have to ask PowerShell to ignore few lines, we can place those lines inside this and they will not get executed. This is PowerShell's multi-line comment. Alright, to get the location of our current directory, we can use get-location cmdelete. To change our location from one directory to another, we have cmdelete called setLocation. To get the current date and time, use getDateCmDelete. To get the list of all different files and folders available at a path, we can use getChildItemCmDelete. If we want to search inside the subfolders and sub-subfolders also, we can specify parameter recurse. If we want to get the list of files from some other path and not your current location, we can specify the location to this path parameter. Alright, to print something on our console, we can use write output command. We can also use write host cmdelete for this purpose. And to clear the console, we have cmdelete called clear host. To copy files from one location to another, we have copy item cmdelete. You can copy a single file or you can specify star wildcard to get all files copied to the destination. If you want the files inside subfolder also to get copied, you can specify recurse parameter. Move item cmdelete is similar to copy item syntax wise. It can be used to move the files or folders. If we want to give a new name after copying or moving an item, we can specify that in destination path. Or rename item cmdelete can be used for renaming the files and folders. For deleting an item, we can use remove item cmdelete. We have already seen get help cmdelete in action. You can take it as an opportunity to use get help cmdelete on all of above commandlet which we have discussed so far and learn about them in detail. To get the history of all different commands which we have executed in our shell, we can use get history cmdelete, and you can see all different commands are appearing here. Clear history cmdelete can be used to clear this history from the shell. You must have observed that PowerShell's nomenclature of naming the commandlet in verb, hyphen, noun, fashion greatly helps in remembering the commands, right? Alright, that's it for this lab. Now you can practice these commandlets and then appear in your first quiz where you will see different questions based on the concepts we have discussed so far in this section. Good luck for that. Thank you.